I'm Bethan Davies Jones, one of the academics here at the School of Medical Sciences at Bangor University, and I teach on a range of modules from the foundation year all the way to postgraduate levels. And I'm also one of the state's registered biomedical scientists working here in the university. So what exactly is biomedical science, and how do you become a registered biomedical scientist? So some might say that biomedical science is the science at the heart of healthcare. So everyone will use the service of biomedical science or biomedical scientists more than once during their lifetime. So samples taken by your family doctor or nurses are usually sent to a pathology laboratory to be analysed by these scientists. Now, biomedical science is one of the broadest areas of modern science and underpins much of modern medicine.